Hi, I'm Renee and I'm a line chef at Crave Restaurant, and this is Simply Local. Simply Local is about taking our favorite Trinbagonian dishes and turning them into something fantastic. Here I take simple ingredients and prepare them by giving them a local twist. Hi guys, welcome back to Simply Local. So I know Carnival is in full swing. I know already Carnival season, right? And everybody's trying to stay fit and eat healthy. Today guys, I have a perfect salad for you. It's called a tropical chicken salad. And it's actually a healthier version of a salad because I know everybody's always busy and you're on the go. So you're not getting time to eat, right? But today we're gonna make this nice, easy, yet fun salad. So we have some seasonings here. I have some paprika, some salt, we have a little olive oil. I have red onion, some sweet pepper. I have Cuisine's pineapple chunks. I have Cuisine's red kidney beans. Portugal, yes, I'm gonna add Portugal to it. This is gonna jazz it up a little bit and make things fun, We don't want any boring salad. Right, so I have tomatoes as well. We have romaine lettuce. I have Cuisine's Succulent burger seasonings. This is for the chicken. We have 2 pieces of chicken breast here. And I have some lime. We're gonna make a nice zesty lime vinaigrette for it. So let's get started, guys. Let's season the chicken breast. Salt, the paprika, some black pepper, and the Cuisine's Succulent burger seasoning. So now the chicken is seasoned and it's time to put it on the griddle. So you're going to preheat the griddle at 250 degrees. So while the chicken is cooking over here, we're going to start cutting up all the vegetables. So next guys, we're going to use the Portugal. Now I was just actually going to peel the Portugal and use the pegs from the Portugal, but Onella on decanted, she gave me a fantastic idea. I want to use the pulp. I know it's going to be a lot of hard work, but it's going to look pretty in the end. So all we're going to do is just take off the skins from the Portugal, and to simply get it out, you're just going to cut right here, and then you're just going to open it out, and the pulp, what you're seeing here is what we want. So you're just going to get that out, separate the pulp from the skin. So now is the fun part. We're going to build the salad, guys. So the first thing we're going to put is the romaine that we cut up. So at the base, you're going to add your romaine. Next, you're just going to add all the vegetables. This part, we're making it nice and pretty. And then after, it comes to mixing. I have 2 tablespoons of Portugal juice. I'm adding 1 lime, olive oil, salt, black pepper, a little bit of parsley. I'm gonna give it a quick whisk. And it's that simple. Okay, great. So now that we have everything in the bowl, we're gonna toss it. So we have a lovely tossed salad here, and you can see the really nice colors that you're gonna get from it, and the nice textures and all the variations, right? It's really pretty with the reds and the greens and the purples. So now we're gonna plate it and try it. Guys, I think I'm in love. You know why? I love the sweetness of the pineapple that it gives. The little hints of Portugal does an amazing job, There's this little burst of Portugal juice that just comes out in it. And the beans add a nice little texture to it. And the chicken is cooked really nice and tender. So this is great. As always guys, I love to hear from you. Let me know down in the comments how you like to make your tropical chicken salad. If you omitted any of the sweet peppers or the tomatoes, let me know. If you don't like the crispy taste of this onion, you can omit it, that's fine as well. Or what type of peas or beans do you like to use in your salad? If you don't like the chicken, you can omit it for fish for a healthier option. Or guys, no meat at all is really fine. As always, the full recipe is on eatafoodt.com, or you can follow us on Instagram or Facebook at eatafoodt. Happy eating, guys. Until next time. Bye.